Hello, everybody. The purpose of this video will be looking on this question. We are still doing the revision on September paper that was written in 2023 in KZN. So on this question, they gave us that we have the first two terms of the geometric sequence, which is the geometric sequence, which they are telling us we have x and x plus 1. So our t1 here, it's what? It's x, and then our t2, they are telling us that it's x plus 1. And then 4.1.1, now it's saying write down the common ratio. And how do you find the common ratio, which is r? It's equals to t2 over t1. And what is t2? It's x plus 1. What is t1? It's just x. Do we have to go far beyond on this one? No, we can't do much. And then the following question, which is 4.1.2, it's saying now write down the third term. So how do we write down the third term? How do we get the third term? We are going to say t2 times what? Our ratio. t2 times our ratio. What is our t2? It's x plus 1. What is our ratio? Our ratio is just x plus 1, all over x, all this thing. And then from here, this is over 1. Numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. So it's just x into x plus 1, x plus 1, all over this equals to x. And then from here, we just have to simplify this, but now we have these two things which are the same, so we can just say x plus 1, all this thing into squared into x. I hope we understand that one. Now let's go to 4.1.3. They are saying if x is equals to 2, will the series converge? Will the series converge? Motivate your answer. Now let's look. For it to converge, there are restrictions in terms of r, which is our ratio. Our ratio is saying x plus 1 is equals to 2. Now let's look for our x. Our ratio, we have x, which is 2 plus 1 is equals to 3, which gave us 3 over, this is 2, sorry guys, this is 2. Yes, it's gonna be 3 over 2. Sorry about that. This was x here, then we substitute. This is, so our ratio here, our r, it's what? Our r is not greater than 1. So since our r is not greater than 1, for it to converge, remember we need to, our r needs to satisfy this restriction. So for it to converge, it needs to satisfy this restriction. So since our x is greater than 1, so our x doesn't converge. Hello everybody. Now we are still continuing with our 4.2. We did 4.1, now we are doing 4.2. What is 4.2 saying? It's saying the given sequence below has only 4 terms, such that the 3 term t1, t2, t3 are arithmetic. Okay, we have 6, we have A, we have B. They told us that these 3 is an arithmetic, so this is an arithmetic. And then they're saying the last 3 terms t2, t3 and t4 are geometric. Last 3 starting from what? Starting from A. So my A, B, and what? And 16 are the geometric. This is geometric sequence. Now I need to calculate the values of A and B. Now to find an arithmetic, T2 minus T1 must be equals to T3 minus T2. Now this is my T1, this is my T2, and then this is my T3. Then T2 it's A minus T1, which is 6, equals to T3 it's B minus T2, which is A. Now I can make B the subject of the formula here, taking this A to the other side, so it's going to be A minus 6 plus A equals to B. Simplify this thing, A plus A, it's 2A minus 6 equals to B. Then from here I can say this is what? My equation number 1. Now going to a geometric now, this is my T1, this is my T2, and then this is my T3. To calculate a geometric, I have to say T2 over T1, the ratio needs to be equal, then T3 over T2. Then what is T2? It's B over T1, which is A, equals to T3, it's 16 over T2, which is B. And then from here we cross multiply. Then we have what? We have B squared equals to 16A, which is going to be my equation number 2. This is my equation number 2. And then from these two equations, I do know that B is equal to 2A minus 6. Then I can substitute my equation number 1 into equation number 2. So I can say sub equation number 1 into equation number 2. What is equation number 2 saying? It's saying B squared equals to 16A. And then from here, where I see B, I put 2A minus 6, and then 2A minus 6 or squared is equals to 16A. And then from here, open my two brackets. Since this thing is 2 times, it's 2A minus 6 into 2A minus 6 equals to 16A. Then 2 times 2 is 4A squared, and then 2 times negative 6, it's what? Is negative 12A, and then negative 6 times 2 is negative 12A, and then 6 times 6, it's positive 36. Take this 16 to the other side, negative 16 equals to 0. And then here I can group my like terms. I only have 4A squared here. I have negative 12A minus 12A, and then the 16 is A also here, and then negative 16 which is giving me minus 40A, and then I only have 4 plus 36 here equals to 0. And then from here I can divide by 4, divide by 4, divide by 4, and then I have A squared 40 divided by 4, it's minus 10A, and then 36 divided by 4, I have positive 9 equals to 0. And then from here we can factorize, equals to 0. My factors here is A and A, Factors of 9 that is going to give me 10. It's 9 and 1. And then since my middle term is negative, so it's going to be negative, negative. If you don't know how to factorize, please do a quadratic formula. Also, it's going to give you the correct answer. So my first A is equals to 9, or another my second A is equals to 1. So now from here, I can find my B. I know that is B is equals to 2, but my A is 9 here, and then minus 6. And then what is my B? 2 into 9, then minus 6, it's 12. And then my B, when my A is 1, minus 6, it's what? It's 2 into 1 minus 6, which is giving me negative 4. So this is my values of A and my values of B. Thank you so much.